Wait, okay.
Yeah, Versivo.
Ready, go. Oh, Paulo.
Oh, chunky.
Dahon to pahid. That is wrong. Sige na, sige na, sige na.
He's a poison oak.
Hey, where's your tears? Okay, console him. Console him. You can do it. You can make it too.
I'm gonna leave you guys here.
No, we're just chilling. Wow, what a Las Vegas adventure we have. Okay, that's scene 1. Anong scene 2? No, it's a mental instead.
That's a little guy.
Why? Hey, let's do the thriller. I don't know. People, do the thriller. Okay, there's like insane people. Oh, just outside DJ.
We're from Long Beach. We're crazy. I don't have giggles.
Yeah, you do. Look at that. Oh, Napoleon Dynamite yan.
Oh.
Ano nga yun? Tapos,
I can do moonwalk.
yun kay Michael Jackson ba?
You know people from Israel watching us.
I don't care. They need entertainment in their life. Kaya nga lumayas yung lalaki siguro kanina. Walang tawa. He's scared of us. Hindi pa tapos eh. Okay, let's interview you guys. Chona, how are you now? State the obvious.
So are you sure? So Forgus is coming in 1 hour. What if we leave in 1 hour?
Okay, let's sing.